Today's episode of Desperate Homeowners comes to you from the inside of a closet and is made possible by Joe T. from Austin, who sends me the following letter. My wife is threatening to leave me if we don't make our closet bigger. I can't think of anything more insane than investing money in a closet, says Joe. She says it houses the things that spark joy for her. I don't know what the heck she's talking about, but I love her something awful. Any advice? These are real letters. This is from Joe, and that's his wife, and you can see she absolutely loves closet. Joe, candidly, I don't know that I'm in a position to talk about what sparks joy for your wife, but if she's telling you that joy is sparked by a renovated closet, then I would say happy wife, happy life, right? Renovate that closet. My buddies at the Home Show say that closet renovations are on trend. I'm not sure what on trend means either. I think it means popular. But somewhere between being on trend and sparking joy, I feel very comfortable in telling you that the Home Show is the answer to your question. Go to the Home Show. Introduce your wife to the closet renovation experts, and you're welcome. If you're a desperate homeowner, drop me a line. I'll read your thing online and give you some advice that I'm not really qualified to dispense.